Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers, and this is a special video just for my Petresca Paper group, but I am going to post it on YouTube. And if you come across this and you're interested, you can join my Petresca Paper group on Facebook, and I'll put the link down below. And today this morning I uploaded a very interesting looking file. And I had a few of the group go, "What do we do with it?" And one of the group had some really fun ideas, and so I probably might copy one of her ideas. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was Joy. If it wasn't Joy, I'm sorry. I've been out cutting Christmas trees and walking through snow, and yeah, been a fun day. So this is the way the file looks. It is little houses, and they're going to be place cards for dinner, or you could use them in a multitude of ways. And honestly, I haven't played with this very much because this just came about this morning. So let's get started. So there are 8 on here. I'm just going to use my scissors. I would probably use a trimmer just for accuracy's sake, but I'm just going to use my scissors. And I wasn't going to cut that one. I was going to cut this one. This one I've put some names on for my family. So let's switch gears and we'll cut this one. So cutting it in half is a good thing. And I've just been trying to contemplate, do I want to, I think it might be easier to do some decorating while it's a larger piece. So one of the things that I think it was Joy, she did shutters on her windows, and I apologize, my windows are not all nice and straight. So if you want, cut out other little squares and put them on. So I'm going to see if I can, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'll do it upside down. I'm going to put a shutter on that and a shutter on this. Let's see if I can make it, I don't know about this pen. Okay, we're going to go there and there. Okay. And, you know, rustic. It's rustic, okay? And a little doorknob. I've got some, can't hardly see. I've got some trim that I'm wondering, do I want to put it all the way across? No, I want to do the single houses. So I'm not going to decorate all of these. That would take us long time, but let's just kind of explore a few things. So I'm going to cut these apart. So there are 8 on the sheet. I didn't put a line where to fold because there's a couple of ways to think about this. All right. So here's 4 of them right here, and there are, where is it? Here it is. There are 4 more here. So my thought was, if we fold it right in half, then it stands up way straight. So I'm thinking folding it a little bit longer on the front, because then when our little house stands, it kind of tips back. And I posted a picture today with that, I just think it's cute because then in front of the place setting, this would kind of look up at the person. They wouldn't have to bend to see who's sitting where. So this one, I am going to put some of this trim on right there. And let's hope this glue will cooperate. I'm not sure. I was having some issues having it come out. I may resort to some double-sided tape on a couple of the things I have that I wanted to try. This glue has had a not stainless steel pin in it, so it's kind of a rusty color. So I'm just going to stick this on here, just like that, and I'll trim it after it's nice and stuck down. Okay. I think that I can cut this off right there. And I'll even that up over here. I mean, you guys, the sky's the limit. I was thinking about that today. I do a lot of things that are basic to kind of give you a jumping off point so that you can find all kinds of fun things for you to do with it, using up some of your supplies. This one, what was I thinking? Oh, I've got some, you can't see it back here. I've got some really pretty washi tape that's kind of coppery. And I thought that, I can't tell if I'm letting you see what I'm doing. Just put that washi tape right along that roof line. Oh, I love washi tape, so you can pick it up and move it around. Okay, so I'm going to trim that off. And I'll trim off a little of that green that I didn't cut so well. I probably, when I'm in my own abode, I will distress. But again, I'm going to fold this not evenly. And so that back is a little uneven, so it sits more upright like that. Let's see. I found another washi tape. Let's see. I'm going to try something with this one. Putting the washi tape across the whole piece, just like that. And I'm going to fold this one all at once. Okay. So I'm going to fold so that they're all folded the same, because I was noticing when I cut them apart individually, some of them were different, and I think it would be nice to have them be the same. So then I'm just going to slice right up there and right up there. So you really can do this quickly. And you don't have to jazz them up, but that might be where the fun is for you. This one's really bugging me. I think I would be tempted to put different, like some little different papers on it. But see how cute they, oh, see how cute they don't stand. They stand up like that. That. Oh, come on. Open up. Open up. Yeah. This, let's see. I wanted to try, where are these? This one. I'm going to trim that up just a hair better. I've got some twine here that I'm going to try. Right like this, and I think I'll cut it first, and then I won't have to wait till the glue is dry. So just a little smidge of twine right along here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And again, I do apologize for the angle. I know it is not optimal, but I hope this is giving you some ideas and how to use this very strange looking little file that I sent or posted on my Facebook group. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll trim that. Let's see, I've got one more. Now I did look and see twine like this would be cute, but that's not very decorative. There was this ribbon. I was wondering how this ribbon would do. Nah. I think I'll do another one of the pretty washi tape. Okay, just down on there. I really like that coppery color. And I'm not bothering to do anything on the back. Of course you could, but since they will be sitting on a table with the back not terribly visible, I'm not sure that that's a wise use of time so much. And then just folding that. Okay. So, you know, and I was thinking also that if you did fold them right in half, you could string them, you know, let me see what I'm thinking. Like if you had a string, let me see if I can tie this. Let me see if I can rig this up, show you what I'm thinking and see if it's even feasible. If you tied a string like on your fireplace or across a window, and then these could just hang over them. Let me pull this down like this. And you could have a cute little display, and you could actually make them an advent calendar. You could turn them into a pocket. Okay, I know we did our cute little cash gifty pockets that you could do the same type of thing with, but this is a really nice little size to do like the 12 days of Christmas or a 24 or 25 day kind of advent calendar. So this is just, I wanted this to be, keep it really quick and short, but I did want to just, I felt like I kind of dumped that file on you and like, figure it out, girls. So I hope this gives you some ideas, and I would love to see what you do. And man, I look like a 3-year-old at that one. The pen was way too thick. All right, so thank you so much. I really appreciate you sticking with me, especially where I'm kind of out of my comfort zone. So thank you, and who knows what we'll bring in next week. Take care. Bye-bye.